Welcome to today's show. Your boy Ismail here. On our first update, we'll move 1.3 billion in Bitcoin. The question is why? On our next update, US debt hit 26 trillion or 2.6 billion Bitcoin as OECD demand COVID-19 spending. The latest US national debt landmark come as Bitcoin cycle $10,000 and put the cryptocurrency digital scarcity back in the spotlight. Also on today's news, crypto and Coinbase new explanatory list see price jump 17% on average. We'll also be looking at Bitcoin crash toward 8.8K likely before the price break of 10K. Here's why. Bitcoin fell at yet another attempt to break bullish above 10,000 on Wednesday. If it now risks falling toward $8,800. Also on today's update, Ethereum retreat from $250, but 100 hourly SMA could trigger fresh surge. And last but not least, if you like to diversify your income, discover how to earn Ethereum daily guide directly to your Ethereum wallet with this simple and lucrative Ethereum smart contract. The link will be in the description below. For daily update and news, hit that subscribe button. Welcome to today's show. Your boy Ismail here. As Bitcoin continued to hold above $9,800, one world decided now it was the time to move more than 1 billion in Bitcoin. According to blockchain data, an unknown Bitcoin trader moved over 255,000 Bitcoin, roughly 1.3 billion, in 3 transactions, just 1 minute apart, June 11. The cryptocurrency was moving block 133,000. The transaction came as the price of Bitcoin was still under a key resistant level, $10,000 at the time of writing. One Bitcoin is valued at $9,887 right now. The massive volume led to speculation that the Bitcoin belonged to an exchange or custodial service, with one user on Reddit speculating Coinbase custody was responsible. On our next update, the US now has debt equal to a giant 2.6 billion Bitcoin, more than 20 times the number of coin that was ever circulating. According to the figure by Statistic Monitor, the US national debt clock, the country gross debt has crossed the historic 26 trillion mark for the first time. The almost inconceivable number comes after several months of inflationary measure by the Federal Reserve, which have seen the dollar supplies increase dramatically. As Cointelegraph reported this week, the US M2 money supply now stand at a record of 18.115 trillion, while the Fed balance sheet had topped 7 trillion. The debt landmark did not go unnoticed on Bitcoin Parliament, with the @Bitcoin Twitter account noting the number was equal to 2.6 million Bitcoin as of June 11. In 2 months, @Bitcoin added, the tally had increased by 204 million Bitcoin, itself for more than Bitcoin fixed supplies of 21 million units. The debate around the digital scarcity continued in the week that the Fed due to convene to discuss how to navigate the way Corona meltdown. The M2 growth highlight Bitcoin opposite trajectory to fiat in terms of money supply. Week after the cryptocurrency third block subsidy having even cut emission by 50%, inflation to 1.8%. At the same time, a demand report by the Organization for the Economic Cooperation and Development, or OECD, cast major doubt on so-called V-shaped economy recovery and argued that the government should instead prepare for a second wave of coronavirus. In our next update, it would appear that investors are valuing Coinbase digital asset framework while looking at potential listing for the exchange, as the most assets are up between 8 and 25% with an average of 17% according to data from Missouri. Keep the network, keep the token. Saw the greatest spike, with the price rising to around 44 cents. The 19 strong list named like Aragon, Ave, Baycar, Sidecoin, Origin Protocol, Rent, and VeChain. Other names on the US exchange list included Allweave, Comp, Digital Byte, Arizen, LifePeer, NewCipher, Numnair, Render Network, Scale Network, and Sensitize. Our decision to support any asset requires significant technology and compliance review by and may be subject to regulatory approval in some jurisdictions. The Coinbase blog post reads, as part of the process, can expect to see the public-facing application programming interface and other such sign where the exchange conduct engineer work to potentially support these assets. The Coinbase effect or the announcement of potential listing of digital assets to the US exchange has proved cumbersome to some projects in the past, with the asset often rising in value before dumping shortly after their listing has been confirmed. On the next news, Bitcoin failed at yet another attempt to break the bullish 10,000 on Wednesday. The cryptocurrency sharp pullback from the crucial resistance level has raised its possibilities of falling toward $8,800. One fundamental analysts see the breakdown as the opportunity to launch as a bull run above 10,000. Bitcoin could be at the risk of crashing toward $8,800 this month, according to analysis. One of them note that Bitcoin could hold above 9,800 for a while. But if the level fell as support, the cryptocurrency could extend its downside momentum by another $1,000. As shown in the chart below, Bitcoin broke below $9,800 supply nearly in early morning London trade Thursday. Failure to hold $9,200 would expose Bitcoin to retest $8,800, a level that capped the cryptocurrency from extending its pullback through the April 2020 and May 2020. If 9.8K fail here, it might be time to complete the final leg of this fiat, the analysis wrote. Adding the support level could allow traders to recoup back toward $10,000. It will likely be the last time you will get a chance to buy sub 10,000 for a while, because after this fiat complete, we should finally take our 10.5K and push toward above 14K. As of right now, Bitcoin is trading at $9,780. Ethereum is trading at $244. XRP is trading at 20 cents per coin. Litecoin is trading at $46. Chain is trading at $4.36. Binance is trading at $17. Bitcoin Cash is trading at $253. Bitcoin Silver is trading at $190. And you know we saved the best for last. Ethereum price showed positive sign. After trading in a range for many sessions, Ethereum price spiked above $244, 1,245 resistance level. Ethereum formed a strong support base above $240 and 100 hours simply moving their average before starting the recent rise. During the rise, there was a break above a key contract triangle with the resistance near $243 on the hourly chart of Ethereum in US. The pair test the 250 resistance zone, where the bull lost momentum and self-prevent more gains. Ethereum price is currently lower and trading below $244 level. There was a spike below the 50% fig retracement level of the recent rise from the 200 low to 250 high. The previous key resistance near 245 level is currently acting as a strong support. The 62.8 fig retracement level of the recent rise from 244 low to 255 high is also acting on a strong support. On the upside, the $250 level seems to be the next major hurdle for the bull. A successful daily close above the 250 level is needed for more gain. The next key resistance could be near $265 level. That was all for today's news. This have been your boy Ismail with top 5 crypto news and alert. Have a great day.